Hi, beauty makers. I'm putting up a video today about relationships, and I feel compelled to do that because I don't know if you have the same experience that I do, but if I'm not connected to myself, I can't be connected in my relationship. And if I'm not connected in my relationship, when I come to work to do any kind of creative project, I feel a disconnect in being able to give my full self if things aren't right in my partnership. And so I recently wrote this blog post about my birthday and the rupture that occurred in my marriage around my birthday, and then the blessings and the gift that came out of it. And I feel very inspired. Many of you who know me and have been following Divine Hustler for a while, know that the whole point of this channel is to inspire other people who are in beauty making industries to come home to themselves and transform who we are so that we can be of higher service to humanity. I really know that as I have grown and evolved through the mistakes I've learned and the lessons I've learned at L&B Interiors, the same is true in my relationship with my husband. So it's a little vulnerable to share all this, and he's super private, so I can't go into too much detail all the time out of respect for his need for privacy. But I think that there is enough there to help others see that when we show up and are willing to do our shadow work with our partnership, it actually makes us better at our jobs while we go out into the world and create beauty for others. So, I'm a transformation junkie, and I feel very proud of the relationship that has transformed as I've become more magnetic in life. My marriage has become more dynamic and more rich and more passionate. So I hope that the blog will bless you. And if it does, I hope that you will share it with others, because I am here to be a light worker. And part of being a light worker is coming together with other light workers and inspiring others. We're going to have a bonfire before you know it. And that's why this blog is called Bonfire. It's all the lights coming together. So thank you for sharing, and thank you for listening.